IDEA RS is developing a new generation of programs for designing structures, particularly concrete, steel and pre-stressed. IDEA Designer is a software that links IDEA with leading finite element analysis programs on the market: XSVM, SCIA Engineering, RFEM, EPW. The user can thus use this software and gets access to modern check modules through IDEA Designer. IDEA checks have a different philosophy than similar programs. Same or similar members are combined into design groups. Structural engineer then works with only one of them, one representative. This produces significant savings of time and cost of the project. Calculation of the structure is done in desired structural analysis program. Then the whole model including the results is imported to IDEA Designer. The structure is divided into design groups and these are designed using modules IDEA Concrete, Steel and Pre-stressing. After modifying cross-sections, the structure can be recalculated using original finite element analysis program and then rechecked for internal forces. The whole process can be illustrated on the example of RC structure. The structure includes columns, beams and floor slabs. The first important step is to set the result classes for the check. Structural engineer can merge load combinations or load cases into classes, which are then used for individual checks. The calculated internal forces can be reviewed on the entire structure or in the selected parts only. A key added value of IDEA Designer is the introduction of the design group concept. Designer, structural engineer, decides how to design the structure and which elements will be dimensioned equally. He works with only one element of the group, the one which is loaded by the worst combination of internal forces. Preliminary sorting into groups is done automatically. Groups can be freely edited, changed, or new ones can be added. Another decision of a structural engineer is how to reinforce the member. He can decide whether the whole member will be reinforced in the same way or there will be 2 or 3 different zones. Reinforcement can be set as symmetrical or not. Engineer decides about 2D slabs in a similar way. For example, the slab will be divided into support and inter-support zones. Reinforcement designing is then performed in the IDEA Concrete. All the extremes of forces in required sections are readily available for the reinforcement templates for all basic shapes of cross-sections are available. Designing is very fast, only diameters and numbers of bars and layers need to be set. Both selected cut and all cuts of the structure are checked according to Eurocode 2. The calculation is very fast because it uses multi-threading and multi-core processors. After a quick overview of the results, the structural engineer can study every detail of the checks. The results are shown in pictures, tables and information window. Same goes for reinforcing slabs. The lower and upper surface of the slab is reinforced separately. IDEA Designer greatly simplifies the work on the project and causes a significant reduction in the number of designed members. That enables you to retain control over projects of all sizes. IDEA Designer represents a new generation of structural engineering design.